Arlo, what did you see?
I want it! Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the potion. Loving is the potion. Ooh, that sugar.
So we finally made it to Virginia Beach, and we could not wait to relax and dip our toes in the golden sand and the warm water. In our last episode, we boondocked at a ghost town while on our way to this place. If you haven't seen that episode, we're leaving the link right here. The Virginia Beach KOA campground is located just a few minutes from the beach. Later on, we'll have our normal campground review, but meanwhile, let me tell you the basics about this fantastic place. For general knowledge, Virginia is the most populous city in Virginia and the 43rd most populous city in the United States. Located on the Atlantic Ocean at the mouth of the Chesapeake Bay, Virginia Beach is the largest city in the Hampton Roads metropolitan area. Virginia Beach is a resort city with miles of beaches and hundreds of hotels, motels, and restaurants along its ocean front. This campground is really well maintained. It has clean and spacious sites and all the amenities you can expect at a good campground. We got a premium site that included a full concrete pad, patio furniture, and a nice fire pit with a grilling grate.
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose.
They have 2 big pools and a beautiful town center area with plenty of games, a water slide, and a food truck. The barbecue was great, and the mac and cheese with brisket were delicious. We took several trips to the beach area and cruised around in our golf cart looking for good food and other amenities. Our favorite was a milkshake bar called the Sweet Spot. This place serves amazing milkshakes in mason jars, beautifully decorated, decadent with toppings. Our daughter was over the moon to realize that her milkshake had a small jar of Nutella in it.
What are you getting?
You fancy a Nutella rim with vanilla and Nutella ice cream, a Bueno bar, a Kinder bar, and a Nutella jar.
That sounds like my type of dinner. Because that's a dinner, and that's not a dessert. That thing is huge.
All right, what are we doing today?
We are getting ready to go to the beach. And let me tell you, these golf carts that you can rent here, they are great. They are like sub-top. They have really nice wheels. They have radio. They have rear view cameras, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's really awesome. They have the windshield with a wiper, big mirrors. We have one with 3 seats, which I am actually loading now to go to the beach so we can put our beach chairs, cooler with drinks, whatever we want to take. The kids are loving it, and the wife too.
And they're street legal.
There's what?
And it's street legal. So
It's
we can actually drive.
yeah. Wait.
Golf carts are street legal here, at least the one that we are renting. So as long as you're on a road 35 miles an hour or below, you can take it out. So
You can go to the beach. You can go to the boardwalk too. That's really nice.
So you're going to want to come to this campground just for the golf carts, right?
Yep.
You guys having fun back there?
Yep.
The campground is located just a couple of minutes from the Oceana Naval Air Station. This base serves as home to 17 jet fighter squadrons. Training is conducted daily, so you can expect a beautiful display of different kinds of military aircrafts all day, sometimes even after dark. Binoculars are a must if you're planning to visit this campground. Sometimes the fighter jets fly so low that you can see the pilots inside the cockpit. Although jet fighters can be extremely loud, we loved it. It was great to be sitting outside our camper or by the beach and constantly see the aircrafts flying at a pretty low altitude. The lifeguard in the pool called the peculiar noise the sounds of freedom. We loved that.
Yeah.
All right, hold it like that. Kind of get it into a little circle with everybody else. We need two more. It says built too tight.
Good job, buddy.
Ava.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do once your leg loops, your shoe might pop off. If we do go over swamp, and I'm sure you guys do not want to be swimming for your shoes today. So
Good thing we're done having
It's
children.
kind of strange for some
This
to
thing.
go to hike.
I told you to wear more
Killing me.
flexible shorts.
These are pretty
I
flexible.
just fall back.
That's just the stuff.
Go back.
Ready, guys?
Just get on the line.
They just adjusted.
Can you
You're
tell?
gonna, you love this.
Okay, you're good to go.
Goodbye.
You got this,
Go
mommy.
ahead. Just fall backwards, do whatever you like.
Look at her go.
Are you ready to
Do I
go?
have to go next?
Let's go, Isla.
Oh, I was going.
Everything will be okay. You might have to pick them up just a hair, Dad.
Yeah, sure.
Nuggets! You ready? Okay, see you at the bottom.
Don't worry.
Like a mama.
By unanimous decision, the highlight of our trip was the AdventureWorks Zip Line course located just outside the campground. It was amazing to soar through the trees as you zip above the swampy forest. The tour includes 9 zip lines and it's approximately 90 minutes long. KOA campers receive $10 off, and if you don't feel like walking there, the campground can give you a complimentary golf cart ride to the facilities. We just want to mention here that this is not a paid advertisement and we are not receiving any financial compensation to make this video. The course was extremely fun and we were so proud of our kids for giving it a try, especially our little guy who was fearless. Make sure you give him a shout out in the comments and we'll be sure to let him know.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for our stay here in Virginia Beach, KOA. What a wonderful, wonderful time we had here. Keith and Barb, the managers here, thank you so much for your attentions. We had such a wonderful, wonderful stay. This is the most welcome we ever felt at a campground. Now we're hitting the road again. We are going to another campground today. Since I am finally done with the big project I have been working on for a few months, we're trying to do the most with the last little bit of summer we have. So we're heading to Delaware. Come with us, let's enjoy the trip. Now I have to prep the trailer and take care of the dirty business.